Hello friends. So today's video we are gonna show you about the speakers. Yes, the portable speakers. Many have asked me about which brand, what type of speaker we should buy. Usually nowadays everyone uses a mobile. There is good speakers in the mobile too. There is AUX and other things which we have in our rooms. But the speaker has its own way, right? It has its own something different because we want to listen to music. We can obviously open it in the speakers, and speakers are not that expensive also. Especially this one, I'll show you today, and we've got here, and just open up. Nowadays packaging is also very easy to open. Oh yes, so we have got this. You remember this bubble packaging? Oh, it's so cute. Now we used to when we were little small kids and all, we used to take this anywhere in the packaging. It will come. We will just tick tick. We'll pick it. Well, this aside, let's see our Syska. And this is a Syska Bluetooth speaker, wireless speaker, and it's called Boombox. Okay, and this is a Syska is a very good company. I've heard about it, and they have many things like powerful bus drivers and power display, charging time. Oh, this has charging time 3 hours, and if we charge for 3 hours, it will basically work on till 6 to 7 hours. That's a good one. Good, right? And okay, we have micro SD card support slot. I think they have it. Let's open up and let's see. Oh, I'm too rough, I think. No? Okay, here we have. Oh, I called it for red color, so this is the red I get it, but this is dark red, I suppose, and this is like a maroonish color, but I wanted this color, red color, and they are in black color also. They have, I think, gray and green color, blue or green color also. You can check it out when you want to buy which color you have, and it's cute, looks very nice. Okay, we have obviously the play button, the pause button, and we have the call, a hands-free call button too. Like we can take from here calls, and we can hear the caller. Oh wow, that's good one. And okay, here we have the slots. Obviously, the multi-slot we spoke about, port. Sorry, and there's an aux wire input, very important. And we have this SD slot, SD card slot. We can put memory, any songs and all on this side. We have on/off button. Okay,
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, it says Bluetooth mode, and we can. Now what we have to do is we have to charge first. Of course, we have to do good charging for 3 hours, and then we have to sync it with our mobile. Not sync, you can say Bluetooth. We can open the Bluetooth in our mobile, and we connect it with our mobile, and then whichever songs we want to hear, we can listen. So it's a nice small one, Bluetooth, which I'll keep it in my room. And of course, this sometimes is like light music. We can listen to light music and everything. So my friends, I hope your queries are a little bit, but unless and until we use it, I need to use it. But I think the voice is good and enough for my room, and this is good. Let's see you again. Watch my other videos also. I have, made videos on, unboxed on the Bluetooth earbuds, and eye bands, and many more things I have talked about. Usually I keep on sharing. So I hope you like this video also. Enjoy. Bye bye. Take care.